Hi friends, this video shows how to install app from unknown source. Open settings app, tap on this icon, then tap on privacy protection, then tap on special permissions, then select install unknown apps. Here you can see list of apps. From this list we can select the app from which we need to install unknown app. For example, Google Chrome. Let me select Google Chrome, then enable allow from this source, then tap on accept. So now I have enabled installation of unknown app using Google Chrome browser. After this we can download APK using Google Chrome browser and install that APK in this mobile phone, so it will not block. So this way we can enable and install unknown app. If you want to block Google Chrome to install unknown app in this phone, you can again go to Chrome and disable this option. So after that we cannot download APK. We cannot download and install APK using Google Chrome browser in this mobile phone. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.